I have all the photos I need. I created a folder called img, then I added the photos there. Copy this folder that has the images and then go to app, then src, then you go to assets, then you put the images there. When we generated this application, it also created this folder called assets. This is where you put all your assets. And what I mean by assets is you put the CSS, the JavaScript, and images. So when you go to the code editor, let's go to the grid. So the first grid, we're going to add the image. So you reference assets, then / src assets img, then put aquaman.jpg. Let's see if this is working. This should work. We have the image there already added. So let's do that to all the images. All right, we're done. We added all the images. Now let's see this how it looks like. We don't have the, we didn't add, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So why does the third row doesn't show? All right, the spelling Omniman. Yeah, Omniman is not showing. Omniman. Oh, img, I forgot to add that. You can make these images much smaller, and then you have this column with like 12 columns each of them. So that's it, guys. This is how you add images. We are going to implement the search maybe later on. I hope you have learned something from this video. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that notification button to get updates from me whenever I release new videos. See you in the next video, and we are going to learn more about Angular.